We have a 2017 Ford Edge SEL all-wheel drive, 17,500 miles, clean auto check, balance of factory warranty. Give you a look. So it has a nice tri-bar grille, gray plastic inserts with chrome trim. It does have the LED lighting down at the signals. It has nice dark and chrome lighting for the headlights. It does have a split 5-spoke alloy wheel, 18-inch with Michelin rubber, around 3/4 tread. Nice integrated signals on the mirrors. They are heated mirrors on the passenger and driver's side. Give you a look on the inside. It is black on black interior, cloth seating, bucket style seating with the center console. It does have some nice brushed aluminum trim on the doors and the dash. Also has power seating on the driver and passenger. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier or not. Rear seating is a bench style seat, and if you need more space to haul something, the seats will fold forward. You do have a 12-volt power source on the back of your console down there if you need to plug in an accessory. Rear rubber is just as good, if not a little better than the front. Bring you around the back. This does have rear wiper, rear frost, and the badging, of course, SEL all-wheel drive. Has backup sensors on the bumper, nice chrome dual exhaust tips. Has a backup cam, which is mounted up here. Nice big hatch area. If you flip that up, you have your spare tire, some storage space there. If you remove this big wing nut, the jack and everything, the tools are all underneath that wheel. 12-volt power source in the back, and you see it does have power flex seating, which is kind of a nice feature to have. And the fan on the roof, that is for your satellite radio. Take a look on that side there. They'll have a keyless entry pad on the driver's door. You open the door, you'll see the power locks, windows, mirrors. And just inside the door, you have your headlight control switch. Light the dash up a little bit here. I'll show you the current mileage is 17,543. And you have a lot of your controls here right on your steering wheel. You have your cruise control, you have your heads-up display settings for your dash. You have your audio settings. You can sync your phone right through here. You have your voice activation, audio controls. And over here is your display screen. Like I mentioned, you do have your Sirius radio. You can sync your devices, your phone, USB, Bluetooth, all that stuff. You can sync everything right through here on your radio. Go down below that, have your audio settings. Have your heating, air conditioning controls, your buttons for your driver and passenger side heated seats, and there's your push button start. And one thing I missed here on the steering column, it does have paddle shifters. There's your automatic transmission selector. If you choose to up or down shift manually, you can do that with those little shifters. Kind of cool. It does have electronic parking brake, dual cup holders, a little cubby that opens up, and you have a USB port hidden down there. Center console that opens has a shallower tray that folds away, has a deep tray, has a 12-volt power source in there. And you have another little cubby up there on the top of the dash. And your glove box. Nice clean car, inside and out. I'm going to go ahead and fire up the engine. I'm going to give you a look out under the hood. You'll see it's also nice and clean underneath the engine, underneath the hood here in the engine bay area. As for engine, it has the 3.5 liter pretty stable engine for Ford in these edges. Get you a pretty decent gas mileage, and it'll haul you up and down the mountains pretty good around here also. And as you can hear, nice quiet running engine. You look at the LED lights here. The last thing we are going to do, I'm going to walk you around this edge one more time and show you any damages or any blemishes. Here at Thomas, we try to be really upfront about that stuff. That way, if you're watching this video and you want to come and take a look, you don't waste your time and come out and see a bunch of damage that you did not know about. Or a couple small scuffs on the back bumper, which is very common with these SUVs. People loading and unloading luggage. A couple tiny stone chips on the front, once again very common. They're always all touched up and sealed up, so they won't give you any issues. If you're interested in coming out and taking a look at this edge, maybe taking a test drive, feel free to give us a call. Our number here is 717-485-4224, or look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.